Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at the all-new Audi S3. So this is the new generation model. It is hidden under these little wraps, but you can clearly see the main lines as well as the new Matrix LED lights. So what we know so far is that the series production version of the A3 will have its world premiere at Geneva Car Show, and then maybe we'll also see the S3. And speaking of this S3, it will have a well-known 2-liter turbocharged TFSI engine producing 306 horsepower as well as 400 Nm of torque. It is paired exclusively with the dual-clutch 7-speed automatic transmission, and all the power is transferred to all wheels with well-known quattro all-wheel drive. Progressive steering is also on the menu, and drivers can choose between 3 different driving modes: balanced, dynamic and comfort. There are also some new Bridgestone tires that are developed specifically for the S3, along with this nice 19-inch wheels. They have interesting design. I would love to see those in full black, and we will probably see it when the car is officially revealed. Now the car will go against newcomers such as the Mercedes A35 AMG and BMW M135i, so tell me in the comments which one would you take. It's really a tough choice. I'm actually not sure at this moment which one would I pick, but tell me in the comments what would be your pick, and also do subscribe to the channel to see the full in-depth review of this car from Geneva Car Show. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.